Exit dive. Fuck you. Get off my ass. Red light run. No stop. Seriously, that's left turn only lane. No stop. Madness. The no stop. He may have. Red light run behind me. Red light run. And I wonder, why would you run the red lights all the time? Does it ever feel good to get your destination? Why is the thing beeping at me now? I hate computers.
So our sun is about 4.5 billion years old. But if a first-generation star that created...
Red light run, red light run, red light run.
I think the line will never go to cheat. I think the only thing this line does is go to cheat too. I don't think it's...
Extra regret. Sorry, I'll turn.
Come back to the Eagles. I think it'll be more in Rhode Island.
These opposite places.
Yeah.
So you got a show.
Yeah.
Very nice.
You got a set designed by the set designer for the Late Show, and we have animation.
Because you also moonlight.
I work at the Late Show with Stephen Colbert. That show.
You warm up the
warm up and do on and do going to be making another appearance. I'm
Exit dive.
Appearance on the show after the first time. And so we got a really
What are you doing, Toyo Turd? Really?
Yeah. We've done a bunch of appearances on the show and some sketches.
About 2 times when I came and said hi to me.
Yeah, every time. Yeah, absolutely. And he's like, don't make eye contact with me. I'm like, okay.
Speedy something or other.
And we got really cool animation in this.
He doesn't know where the classrooms are. They're
Red light run.
So
Red light run, red light run, red light run. Don't really. Yeah, forward of shame. Red light run. And I think he was in a left turn lane too. And he's after the right turn up there.
Freud. Wait, 3 years? Jesus, like the Blue Man Group of its time. Someone throwing marshmallows in his ass from across the stage.
He was doing the same shit behind me.
Just gobbling them up.
Ah, pass fail.
Yes. You smoked the whole bag. I'm full now. I'm really full now.
Now I gotta really.
No, Eli, you could take Freud off the list. Like that's like impressive or something. Because I think catching Freud with asterisks is sort of like shooting dicks in a barrel.
When he performed at a friend's bakery to help his business for free.
Could you imagine coming
Nice
to the
cut off.
bakery right after the performance?
Want to come con here? Rapping? And he was like, no.
Well, thanks, France. If there's one
Nice cut off, Kia. It's probably stolen.
See the confusion, boys. You see, boys.
Fuck
the
you.
rapist was black.
Go ahead, tailgate that guy.
Rapist was black.
Stop saying that. Don't say that again. No, it was not.
Positive.
And we really need you to understand that before we put you like on like another press conference.
Yep, break check.
Mr. Neeson. Thank you so much.
The kids doing the entrance exam for that boarding school of bleeding, just like, and begin. They just punch themselves in the face, start filling up a graduated cylinder as fast as they can.
Turn from the center lane. What an asshole.
Down. Casanova stabbing himself.
Casanova was wise beyond his years, had intimate knowledge of the occult, and they naturally invited him to live in the palace, and he pledged to be.
Yes, I'm singing this song. But I'm strians, but I'm dum 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 strians. Yes, I know your team won, but you guys are losers. Not really, but I'm just bitter. That's why you're in the video.
Yeah, hey, it's me. The man literally won it in every European city. You guys need any espionage? I can see how this fails.
Nice cut off.
Are you finished laughing at your joke, or have I interrupted you again?
Cranked myself up, sorry. Well, you full time, that means.
Why the hell is there a deer in the middle of the mall parking lot? He's just running around. Look at him go. It's like there are no woods around. Uh-oh, he's running right at me now. That's fucked up. There he is in the middle of Transit Road. Like, seriously. This is like the last... We're in the middle of the frickin' suburbs. There's like no big woods around here. Like, what the hell is these deers thinking of? I'm shocked by this. People are actually stopping. This is good. These are not really bad drives. This is like everywhere else within the stupid state of New York can't understand that a flashing red light means stop. But everyone stopped. Of all places, Rochester, with the drivers as shitty as they are around here, actually understands that. Like, I don't get it. How is that possible?